yeah. That pink piggy working.
I like the piggy.
Holy crap. That's a good one. Or look, seems like it. Oh!
Oh, mama, get in here. We ain't letting you go off the boat.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Is that the biggest one of the day?
I don't want to lose him.
Oh, which one's bigger? My first one or your other one?
I tell you what, you don't go after the first nibble. You got to let them play with it a little.
That's a big one.
You got to really grip them, huh?
Oh, that's tough.
I've wrapped my fingers around them now.
Hold him up.
I'll get them up.
Let him hang down. It look big one to hang down. Up, just hold it there. There you go.
They're not good eating, huh?
Nah.
No.
It's kind of fishy.
That's a big one.
Oh, we're having fun now. Come back here, hon. Come back here.
If he gets off here, oh, you're gonna go crazy. Oh!
Mama, get in
Oh,
there.
no, don't put him in the boat. Don't put him in the boat.
It's a carp.
No, it's one of those blackfish.
Oh, man, it's a monster blackfish, too. I got his hook. I got his mouth
How do
shut.
you catch those?
He's got teeth.
Yeah, he does.
Holy crap, that's a big one. If that was, I thought it was a bass at first. I was like, this is more than a 7-pounder. Holy crap.
I got his mouth like hooked shut. It went through both top and bottom lip.
Dang.
Well, now we got it out of the bottom. Amazing.
Oh. Impressive.
That was a fun one.
Catch its baby, and now you catch the freaking mom.
That one came, I brought that off the top of the log.
Hand me that camera. Oh. Hold him tight. When he starts jerking, he'll like you break your wrist just about.
Really? Hey, Ty, get your reel out, brother.
Okay.
Oh, look at the jaws on these things.
Got it.
Put them back in.
It's a big fish, Dad.
Yeah, just open that thing up.
You can let go, buddy. He's biting off it. He wouldn't let go of it.
Holy crap, that was a big one. Oh, are you kidding?
What do you call those?
We call them blackfish. In some places they call them mudfish.
Yeah, no way, buddy. We've been dry for a while. Oh no!
All right.
He's a little guy. Oh man, I got him through the eye and everything. I don't want to break your. There you go.
Oh my gosh. I'm missing all the hits.
That's even small for our pond. Yeah. I just needed the thumbage. Man, sorry, buddy. Oh, he's stuck on your glove.
Yeah.
I'm stuck on your glove. You sure you want a picture of
That's
that,
all right.
that cute little thing?
I'll let you go without a picture.
Oh, hey, we might use him for bait.
Oh my, this is a big one. Oh my god.
Oh, mamacita, daddy like! Oh yeah, are. This is the fish we're looking for.
Holy crap! I think that's. I think it's hammer.
Oh, am I two fisting this thing? Oh, mamacita. I speak Spanish now.
Got one. That's a big fish.
That's all thumbs, baby.
Now, turn to me, hold him, let him down,
Crap.
and hold him toward me, just like one hand.
Carp.
Nope, another one of those mean fish.
Oh.
Jesus. Hit me in
Oh,
the
it's
head
on the
with my own
seat.
bait.
It's on the seat. Mudfish.
Right there.
Jeez, them mudfish love you.
I hook them in a spot, man. I get them in that jaw every
You're
time.
their baby. You're their daddy.
They're fun to catch.
Yeah, they fight.
They bite funny though. Where you line?
And that'll work. It's a peanut. It's a peanut.
Man, I tell you what, I gave him every chance to run. He didn't want it. Settle down, young man.
I get him right there.
So, we'll get you on your way. You good? Another pink worm. I didn't set that too well. Oh, come here, you. Oh. I'm waiting for that. There you go. Lady.
Good one. It ain't no 3 pounder, but. Holy crap.
Another one.
Yeah, it's just like yanks my jaw altogether. I think I got one. I'm gonna go for it. No.
You got him, it sounds like. Oh. I'll tell you what, it's just letting them drop a little farther and then we're popping it up. I wasn't dropping it far enough.
Yeah. I tell you what, you might have to fish it.
Oh yeah.
Oh. God, that's a
Now that's a fish.
Really.
Oh.
Good job. Good job.
Oh.
Well, that's the biggest fish we've ever caught, Dave.
We're going to do
Got
better
him.
than that. You got him tight? He's going to flop just as soon as I let. Hold him up and hold him toward me just like that. Yeah. Up. Got him.
Let me see that back.
Holy crap.
Let him go right here so the GoPro can see him. There you go.
We got all the toys on here. I didn't realize you got the GoPro and everything.
There you go. Good job.
You got the rubber too.
All right, we got plenty of him.
Nice, big man.
Holy crap.
You said we're getting bigger, Dave.
Oh yeah, we're gonna.
Oh yeah. He's a wiggler.
That's about the big ones we catch at our pond.
Yeah.
That's the monsters. That's when we're like, whoa. We were laughing because on your website there with the hammer there. That
Got him.
almost 6 pound, or that 6 pounder. We were laughing because we were like, he eats our fish.
Put him up. There you go. Fix that one up for you.
Oh, that's a mover.
Got him.
Nice.
Hold him tight because he's a flapper. Hold he's stuck.
Ah, finally did it, buddy. Found a tree.
Oh. Oh, this is a bigger one.
Sounds really nice.
Oh yeah.
You flung your worm. It went over here.
Oh yeah. Dad, get the phone.
Was this a phone one?
Hold him tight. Got him?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, you keep getting bigger and bigger. People are gonna think you're just holding them farther forward. Mom goes, "That's a big fish. What kind?" I went, oh God.
This is the second biggest one.
With a knife?